Bakit ikaw ang karapat-dapat tanghalin bilang Mr. Bikini Open 2025?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Good evening, everyone. Bakit ako ang karapat-dapat tanghalin bilang isang Bikini Open 2025? It is simply because in the middle of the night, in the darkness, you are going to see that I am shining very bright, representing my color, representing myself, that I am beautiful inside and out, and performing to inspire all of you to become positively and healthy from mind, heart, and body. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, should I say, I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Okay, thank you so much. Candidate, ayan, para kang si Frozen, no? Nagsashine talaga ngayong gabi. Okay.